Hey guys, it's Trish, one half of the woodworking duo You Wish I Would. Today we have for you guys a wood wall that we built. We call it a slotted wood wall because it slats the wood that you put into slots to build a big wall for events. So we're going to show you today just how you put that together for your backdrop for events. I already put in the first board, and I'm gonna screw nails into the sides. You wanna put nails like on the bottom board and on the top board, which is what you'll see me do when I get to the top. And the purpose of that is to make sure that they are secure.
Okay, go by.
Sure.
Okay.
And there you have your wood wall.